Hello, my name's the old mechanic. What do I got here? This is a new LED front light unit for my Beamer. I bought it by my Chinese friends. This one. This one, it has a little, see, dent, but I already inspected and the headlight is perfectly. This one cost 160 euros, which is a lot of money, but according to the light in my own Beamer, it's a bargain, I think. I would say, come on over, I'm gonna check it out. It has some scratches. This. Yeah, it's still Chinese stuff, huh? Then we take the unit out. Got this also. Oh. Let's see. So this, see. Plastic. It's all plastic. It looks really nice. Watch. This is the daylight. This is dim, and this is the headlight. This is also daylight DLR. Now let's fire it up. Let's see what it does. It has a connector, 3 wires. This is for the daylight running stuff. Here I got my power supply. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then. Okay. 13 volts. Okay. Even kijken, fijn. Okay. Now let's see. Give it a quick. Plus is de gele. Oké. then deze. Okay. Wow. Now we put the lights out. Whoa. That's really nice. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. And now we're gonna do the headlight, high beam. That's this. It's both of them. Okay. Draws 4 amps. Okay. Then this out. Whoa. Okay. Now guys, this is the new headlight. I think it looks plastic fantastic. See?